Imagine pouring your heart and soul into a Facebook ad campaign, only to find out it's being shown to the wrong audience. You might as well throw your marketing budget into a black hole. But what if I told you there's a way to target your ads so precisely that you could reach the people most likely to buy your product or service? The right detailed targeting can elevate your campaign performance by an astonishing 300%. Yes, you heard that right. Welcome to the ultimate guide on mastering Facebook ads targeting with Dreamy Digital. In this video, we're not just scratching the surface. We're diving deep into strategies that will revolutionize your approach to digital marketing. By the end of our journey, you'll not only understand the intricacies of detailed targeting, but also be equipped with actionable steps to implement immediately. So grab a notepad because you're about to learn how to turn your Facebook ad budget into a powerful engine for growth and engagement. First, let's set the stage. Facebook is one of the most powerful advertising platforms available, boasting over 2.9 billion active users. This massive audience represents a goldmine for marketers. However, as the saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility. Understanding how to utilize Facebook's targeting capabilities is crucial for anyone looking to succeed in digital marketing. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is detailed targeting? Simply put, it allows you to define your audience more precisely by narrowing down options based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. This feature is your secret weapon for making sure your ads reach the right people at the right time. Understanding your audience. The foundation of targeting. Before diving into the nitty-gritty of Facebook's targeting options, we need to address a fundamental principle. Know your audience. It sounds simple, but this step is often overlooked. If you don't have a clear understanding of who your ideal customer is, you'll struggle to reach them effectively. Start by creating a customer persona. Consider factors like age, gender, location, interests, and pain points. For example, if you're selling fitness gear, your target audience may be health-conscious individuals aged 25 to 40 who frequently engage with fitness content online. Use surveys, interviews, and analytics to gather data that informs your persona. Once you've defined your audience, you can start leveraging Facebook's powerful targeting tools. 1. Demographics, the building blocks of targeting. Let's kick off our deep dive with demographics. Facebook provides a plethora of demographic data that allows you to filter users by age, gender, education level, and relationship status. For instance, if you run a wedding planning service, you can target women aged 22 to 30 who are engaged. This kind of specificity ensures that your message resonates with the right group. You'll save money and improve your ad performance by filtering out those who don't fit your target demographic. Don't forget about location. Depending on your business, targeting specific geographic areas can make or break your campaign. For example, if you own a boutique coffee shop in Seattle, you wouldn't want to waste your budget advertising to someone living in Miami. Use location targeting to ensure your ads reach potential customers in your area. 2. Interests. Tapping into passions and hobbies. Moving on to interests, this is where you can get creative. Facebook allows you to target users based on their hobbies, interests, and the pages they engage with. This targeting can significantly enhance your ad relevance. Let's say you sell eco-friendly products. Instead of broadly targeting green living, refine your audience by specifying interests like sustainable fashion, organic gardening, and environmental activism. By narrowing your focus, your ads will be shown to individuals who are more likely to appreciate and purchase your products. 3. Behaviors. Understanding user actions. Next up, we have behaviors. Facebook tracks user actions both on and off the platform, providing valuable insights into how users interact with content. You can target users based on their online shopping behaviors, travel frequency, device usage, and more. For example, if you're promoting a travel package, consider targeting individuals who have shown interest in travel-related content or have recently searched for vacation deals. Facebook's behavior targeting can provide you with a goldmine of data to create more effective ad campaigns. 4. Custom audiences. Retargeting for success. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful features available on Facebook, custom audiences. This tool allows you to upload your existing customer list and retarget those who have already engaged with your brand. Why is this important? because it's often said that retargeted ads have a conversion rate that's 10 times higher than standard ads. Why? Because these users are already familiar with your brand and have shown interest in your offerings. You can also create custom audiences based on website traffic, app engagement, or video views. Imagine you have a website selling digital marketing courses. By creating a custom audience of users who visited your course landing page but didn't make a purchase, you can retarget them with specific ads that address their concerns or offer discounts. Number 5. Lookalike audiences. Expanding your reach. Once you've created your custom audiences, take it a step further with lookalike audiences. This feature allows you to find new users who resemble your existing customers based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. For example, if you have a successful email list of subscribers interested in personal finance tips, you can create a lookalike audience to find more individuals who share similar traits. This method expands your reach and brings in potential customers who are more likely to engage with your content. 6. Layering your targeting. The art of precision. Here's where it gets really exciting. Layering your targeting options. Instead of relying solely on one method, combine demographics, interests, and behaviors for hyper-targeted ads. Let's say you run a subscription box service for pet owners. You could target women aged 25 to 40 who are interested in pet care and who frequently engage with pet-related content online. Layering your targeting in this way increases the likelihood of your ads being shown to the most relevant audience, ultimately driving higher engagement and conversions. 7. A/B testing. Finding what works best. Now that you understand the targeting options available, it's time to put them to the test. A/B testing, also known as split testing, is essential for discovering which targeting strategies yield the best results. Create multiple ad sets with varying targeting parameters and analyze the performance of each. You might find that ads targeting users based on behaviors outperform those targeting interests, or vice versa. The key is to continually test, analyze, and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. 8. Audience insights, the data goldmine. To refine your targeting strategy further, don't overlook Facebook Audience Insights. This powerful tool provides valuable data about your target audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors. By accessing Audience Insights, you can gain a deeper understanding of your audience, allowing you to fine-tune your targeting parameters. For instance, if you discover that a significant portion of your audience is interested in health and wellness, consider incorporating related interests into your targeting strategy. Number 9. Ad placement. Where to show your ads. While targeting is critical, ad placement also plays a significant role in your campaign's success. Facebook offers several placement options, including the news feed, Instagram, stories, and the right column. Consider where your target audience is most likely to engage with your content. For example, if you're targeting a younger audience, Instagram stories may be the best placement option. Conversely, if you're targeting professionals, the Facebook newsfeed might yield better results. 10. Common pitfalls to avoid. As we wrap up this section, let's address some common pitfalls to avoid when utilizing Facebook ads targeting. First, don't be too broad in your targeting. While it may be tempting to cast a wide net, this approach often leads to wasted ad spend and poor engagement. Instead, focus on specific demographics, interests, and behaviors that align with your brand. Second, avoid relying solely on one targeting method. The beauty of Facebook ads lies in its versatility. Layer your targeting options to create a more refined audience. Lastly, don't forget to continually monitor and adjust your campaigns. The digital landscape is constantly changing, and what works today may not work tomorrow. Regularly analyze your ad performance and make necessary adjustments to stay ahead of the curve. Real-world examples of successful targeting. Now, let's take a moment to explore some real-world examples of businesses that have successfully utilized detailed targeting on Facebook ads. A fitness brand. A fitness clothing brand wanted to boost its online sales. By leveraging detailed targeting, they focused on women aged 18 to 35 who followed fitness influencers and engaged with health-related content. The result? A 200% increase in website traffic and a significant spike in online purchases. An e-commerce store. an e-commerce store specializing in organic skincare products, utilized custom audiences to retarget visitors who abandoned their shopping carts. By offering a limited-time discount, they saw a 150% increase in conversions from retargeted users. A local restaurant aimed to increase foot traffic during off-peak hours. They created lookalike audiences based on their loyal customer base and targeted individuals living within a 5-mile radius. The outcome was a 30% increase in reservations on weekdays. Your competitors are gaining ground while you're stuck in neutral. Want to know why? Meet Sarah, an online boutique owner just like you. She was pouring money into ads, but nothing seemed to move the needle. Sales were stagnant, and her audience engagement was dropping. Why? Because Sarah didn't know how to capture her audience's attention on social media. Here's the secret. Social media isn't about posting random content. It's about connecting with the right people at the right time. We took Sarah's brand, created a tailored content strategy, and grew her engagement by 3x in just 4 weeks. Now she's thriving in a crowded market. Are you stuck with low engagement and a shrinking audience? It's time to stop hoping your posts will go viral and start building a targeted strategy. We specialize in social media management that drives results. From audience research to creative campaigns, we've helped dozens of small brands like yours boost follower growth by 500%, increase website traffic with viral posts, maximize ROI with laser-targeted ads. When we worked with a small beauty brand, we helped them go from 100 followers to 10,000 in 6 months. Their sales skyrocketed because they knew exactly what their customers wanted to see. Our strategy isn't just about posting. It's about creating content that speaks to your audience's heart and drives action. With our help, you'll reach the right customers, increase brand awareness, see real sales growth. Ready to take your social media from bland to brilliant? DM us now for a free consultation, and let's start scaling your brand. Key takeaways and action steps. As we come to a close, let's summarize the key takeaways from this video. Know your audience. Create detailed customer personas to guide your targeting efforts. Utilize demographics. Leverage Facebook's demographic filters to reach the right users. Tap into interests. Identify and target specific interests that align with your brand. Understand behaviors. Use behavioral data to refine your targeting further. Implement custom and lookalike audiences. Retarget existing customers and expand your reach to similar audiences. Layer your targeting. Combine multiple targeting methods for precision. Conduct A/B testing. Experiment with different targeting strategies to find what works best. Analyze audience insights. Use data to continuously optimize your targeting. Choose the right ad placement. Select placements that align with your audience's preferences. Avoid common pitfalls. Stay focused, diversified, and adaptable in your campaigns. Now that you have a roadmap for mastering detailed targeting on Facebook ads, it's time to take action. Start implementing these strategies in your campaigns today. But wait, before you dive in, remember that Dreamy Digital is here to help you every step of the way. Whether you need assistance with campaign strategy, ad design, or analytics, our team of experts is ready to elevate your digital marketing efforts. Check out our services linked in the description below, and let's make your digital dreams a reality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Dreamy Digital for more valuable content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What targeting strategies have worked for you? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.